It seems you can get. It's in the range.
Right? Yes. In fact, I think that's the thing. The sentiment I was seeing is that in the HDR and the OLED and all that stuff, like you can't get screens that good in a headset.
Oh! You son of a... Did you see her? You motherfucker! Don't run! This guy's running from me. He hit me.
Oh.
Had him downstairs.
Oh! He hit you. He came on your side.
Look at this stupid idiot on a bike. God damn you people.
Reduces the number of monthly migraine days. For some, that number can be cut in half or more. The most common
Oh my god!
Oh! Wow. Why would they think that was okay?
I don't know. Should I play?
Oh, you've got to be shitting me.
Where did it go?
You okay? You okay?
mutate into something more serious. Therefore, we have to stay on top of it. So it's a really odd thinking for which there is really no good evidence. Odd thinking for which there is really no good evidence telling us that a little bit here, a little bit. Yet they're continuing with their vaccine push.
Yeah, but the good news is only 10 to 15% of people.
What the?
MLK got killed. It doesn't make sense to me still. The world.
Jesus Christ. Oh no!
He's trying to leave.
Can't go anywhere. Joe.
It's not running anymore.
Maybe just stop this one out, bro.
No, it's another car. Oh, and then stop!
Yo.
Oh man. I got it on film. Want me to stay? Okay. Good job, buddy. You might as well just hit cars, man. Like seriously.
And only 1 week ago, you know, I had this one second. I live wrong the street from here. A taxi guy hit me right on this one side. 3,000.
Ridiculous, eh?
Hit the other guy too.
Yeah. You good?
Yeah.
You good? Okay. I got it on film. I hope I'm recording. Man, you good? Okay.